let us compare POCO X2 with Realme X2 and try to understand what the price should be. So as you can see, POCO X2 has a 120 Hz display, Realme X2 does not. The processor, both share the same processor, but POCO X2 comes with a liquid cooled technology. Sony IMX 686 64 megapixel for the very first time in the country. The starting RAM-ROM variant is the 6 GB RAM, whereas it is here the 4 GB RAM, and it costs 16,999, the Realme X2. So what should be our price, guys? Okay, let me just make it clear. Thank you, guys. It's 15,999. The 6 plus 64 POCO X2 starts at 15,999. And the 6 GB plus 128 GB variant, 16,999. And the 8 GB plus 256 at 19,999. So let's take a look at in the entirety. So POCO X2 with a 6 GB variant starts at 15,999, whereas Realme X2 starts at 16,999. And that's how POCO X2 outperforms the competition. Now, not just this, we are bringing some more sweeteners. We would like to thank our ICICI Bank to bring 1,000 rupees instant discount for the credit card and debit card EMI transactions. Now, to the POCO X2 price. So effective price is 14,999, guys. POCO X2's effective price is 14,999 and goes all the way up to 18,999 if you include the ICICI card offer. Lastly, to the availability. POCO X2 will be available on Flipkart starting 11th Feb, starting 12 noon. So that's POCO X2, guys, in all its glory.